Uh, yes, students, some people are messaging me asking textbook PDF format. I don't have that. You people are living in information. So previously it used to be information era. Now it's an artificial intelligence era. I recommend you people to use artificial intelligence and to get the precise answer. Okay, so go to Google Chrome. Then you have to type Open AI, or you can go to Google. Open the Google. In the Google, you type Open AI. Open AI. Once you type OpenAI, you will be uh, guided to this website, openai.com. Okay, so I will share the link in the WhatsApp group. Go to this link. So you need to type OpenAI. So in this, you need to go for ChatGPT. Go to the first link. I will share the link in the WhatsApp. Okay, this is the first link. Try on web. Okay, I'm going to try this on website. So you will be directed. I'm directly logging in here. You will be directed to login. Use your Gmail ID to log in. Once you log in, you will be asked for the three options: ChatGPT, DALI, and API. Uh, Go and click the first option, that is ChatGPT. Then, after clicking ChatGPT, you need to enter your details, also name and your age. Then you will be directed to this website. Okay, it has two types: ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. The ChatGPT 4 is a paid version. You need to pay $20 for that, but 3.5 is enough for us. It is more than sufficient. Uh, so one of uh, one of student has asked me questions. So I will try to get the answer for those questions. Let's see. So you need to give ask a question here. For that, the official thing which we do there is we call it as prompting. Okay, asking question to AI is called prompting. Okay, there is a separate job for this. We call it as a prompt engineer, which is been boom in this era. Okay, leave that. Go to this section and type. Let's say I'm asking for deformation of solids. So I will ask, give me. Let's say you want 15-point information. Let's say you want to write for 10 marks question. Okay, so give me details. Give me a detailed information on on deformation of solids. So you can ask here by keeping a full stop, you can ask and also include whatever you want. Okay. If your syllabus is asking for something else, you can ask that to include there also. In like say, I will ask for 1500 words. So this is for 10 marks, 1500 words in point wise. Okay. So what I'm asking here, what is the prompt I'm giving here? Give me a detailed information on deformation of solids in 1500 words in point wise. So when you click OK, so it will generate. See, it will give a detailed information in 1500 words in point wise. So it is giving all things, Hooke's law, factors affecting, etc., etc. If this is not there in your syllabus, just you type, I want only Hooke's law, I want only deformation of solids, I want only application. Okay, so you can ask things. Now, this is for 10 marks. Let's say we want to convert this to 5 marks. So what I will ask is give above information in Let's say I want in 700 words and in point wise. So it is converting the above information into 700 words. Let's say this 700 words is for 5 marks. Okay. So it will convert the same thing in points in 700 words. So if you have already answer with you, which is available in digital format, you can copy and paste this answer and you can ask convert the above answer in 1000 words, or you can say point wise in a short form. Okay. Can you give in short form of the above? So we'll ask this. Let's say what it will do. Let's say I want to reduce the information. So it will be in short form. Here I didn't mention the words. So it's only given in short form. So if you want to write for 2 marks, let's say how many words you want? 100 words. So we'll ask uh, give in 100 words. Or you can ask for 50 words also. So it will convert the above information in 100 words. So you can ask for 50 words also. So same thing is converted into different words depending on the need. So please do use artificial intelligence. This is absolutely free. Okay, OpenAI, I will share the link to you. First, you need to register with your Google ID. Then you need to enter your name. You need to enter your date of birth. Then you need to enter your phone number. Then you will ask for the code. You need to enter the code which is sent into on your phone number. Then once you log in, it will ask for three options: OpenAI, uh, DALI, and API. So we don't want DALI and API. It's for other purpose. So better you go and click for first option, that is OpenAI, ChatGPT. Sorry. So your first option will be ChatGPT. Go and click for ChatGPT. Then start prompting, means asking question. Prompting means asking questions. So any topic you can concise and write in a crisp manner. Only thing is this will not give you images. This chat GPT, it can chat with you. It will not give the image. You can play with this. You can convert your answer into marks or for 5 marks or for 2 marks. So how much length you want, you can convert here. So you can play with this. Please utilize this tool. Okay, for your all exams. I could have posted this thing earlier, but I didn't get this in mind because you people are asking me for a soft copy and information. So I request you people to use this tool. So better use ChatGPT. Don't go for BARD. It's not giving precise answers. Okay. Use your ChatGPT for this. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.